Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the last chapter of this academic year. Okay, what is the last chapter? Light. Light, what is light? Light is a form of wave. Okay, who is the source of light? Generally, everybody knows sun is the main source of light. Okay, you know that sun emits different types of wavelengths, different types of rays. Why different types of rays? Because wavelength varies. You study in higher. And mainly, you know, infrared, visible, and ultraviolet. These are the rays. These are the rays produced, and many types of rays. Mainly, you study. These three rays are produced from the sun. And what is happening? Top layer is there, isn't it? The layer of the atmosphere, one layer is protecting us, blanket of air. Who is that? Ozone. This ozone layer is protecting us from entering this ray. This is a dangerous ray. It emits harmful radiation. It causes cancer. So ozone layer protects us from this ray. So these two rays, it is not reaching. This ray is not reaching to the earth. Because who is protecting us? Who is not allowing? Ozone layer is protecting us from not entering this ray. Not allowing this ray to enter to the earth. Ozone is protecting us from not being reached by this ray. Okay, this is a dangerous ray. It is not reaching here because of ozone layer. Ozone layer does not allow this ray to reach here. Ultraviolet ray to reach here. So only two rays are falling. That is infrared radiation and visible radiation. Okay, the visible radiation is which we see. Infrared radiation we couldn't be able to see. Understand that type of wave we cannot see. Okay, these two rays are falling. And what happened? How do we see the object? When the visible ray or when this ray, light ray, falls on the object, it reflects. When the rays falls on the object, the rays reflect. Because of this reflection, we could see any object. How do we see an object? The ray, light ray, you can say visible ray, anything. When it falls on an object, what happened? The rays reflect from the surface or reflect from an object. That is what we could see an object. Clear? Night time there is no light. That's why we cannot able to see an object. Understand? And you know, light falls on our eyes, cornea, then pupil, then iris is there, then pupil is controlling the entry of light rays. And inside there is lens is there, so we could see the object clearly. That you studied already. Okay, how do we see? When the light fall on the surface, it reflects. And the reflect light pass into our eyes. Inside eyes, how it reaches? Cornea, iris, then in between, middle is interior center of the eye. One pupil is there. Because of controlling, this pupil controls the entry of light. And it reaches our lens and we could see an object. Clear? Next. We are going to study what is incident ray and what is reflected ray. So this is all clear now. So main source of light is sun. It emits different type of wavelength, but only two types of wavelengths, two types of rays reaches the earth. Understand? When this light falls on an object, it will reflect and it reaches our it reaches our eyes through the cornea and pupil and iris pupil. Understand? This is the way we could see an object. Next we are going to study what is incident ray. What is incident ray? The word itself derives what is incident. The ray when it falls on the surface. The ray which falls on a surface. That ray is called incident ray. Okay. The ray from where do you get? From any source. Which type of source? Luminous object. What is luminous? Luminous object is an object which has its own light. example, sun has its own light. So sun is a luminous object. And moon does not have own light. Moon receives the light from the sun. So moon is non-luminous object. Okay, this blackboard is non-luminous object because it does not produce own light. So now come back. What is incident light? The light which falls on any surface. That light is called incident ray. After falling, what happened? It bounced back from the surface. It bounced back from the surface. That is called reflected ray. What is that? Reflected ray. Okay, what is incident ray? When the rays of light falls on the surface, that ray is called incident. The incident rays, as soon as it falls on the surface, it bounces back from the surface or reflected back from the surface. This ray is called reflected ray. Clear? And in between, you got to draw. So reflected ray over. Next you are going to study normal. What is normal ray? What is normal ray? The perpendicular line which is drawn to the surface. The perpendicular line which is drawn to the surface. This is the surface, you draw a perpendicular line. This is called normal ray. Clear? Incident ray, reflected ray. And in between you draw a perpendicular line, that is called normal ray. And next, this angle and this angle remains same. This angle is called angle of incident. What is angle of incident? The angle between incident ray and normal ray. The angle between incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incident. Okay, this place. This angle is called angle of incident. Now what is angle of reflection? The angle formed between reflected ray and the normal, this area, between these two angles, between these two lines, this angle is called angle of reflection. Okay, what is angle of reflection? The angle formed between reflected ray and the normal. This angle is called angle of reflection. Okay. Once again I will tell you, luminous object. What is luminous object? The object which has own light. They are the source of light. Okay. They emit radiation and the radiation fall on an object, that is called incident. As soon as it fall on the object, on an object, it will reflect back. That is called reflected ray. You draw a perpendicular between this incident ray and a reflected ray to the surface. The perpendicular line is called normal, and between these two lines, that means incident ray and normal ray, that is angle of incident. Between these two lines, that is normal and reflected ray, that is called angle of reflection. Clear? This is called light reflected law also we can say, that we study next class. Okay, thank you.